If you want to remove a payment method from your Tidal account, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Tidal app or website and log in using your account credentials. Make sure you have access to the account you want to modify. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, go to the account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name, typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Navigate to payment information. In the account settings menu, look for the section labeled Payment or Billing. Click on this option to view your current payment methods. Step 4. Select the payment method to remove. In the payment information section, you will see a list of your saved payment methods. Choose the payment method you wish to remove and click on the corresponding option to edit or delete it. Step 5. Confirm removal. After selecting the payment method, you may be prompted to confirm your decision to remove it. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the removal. Once you have completed these steps, your payment method will be successfully removed from your Tidal account. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Tidal's customer support.